Nearsightedness practically means that your eyes are naturally focused at close-up, so you can often read very comfortably, regardless of your stage in life, but you can't see where's anything in the distance. And of course, you're still going to get presbyopia, except depending on how close your focus point is without the glasses or the contacts, you might be comfortable reading, just not seeing the distance. So the issue comes, you'd like to be rid of your glasses, we correct your distance vision, well, suddenly you have a vision problem for close-up because you have a stiff lens and you can't focus at close-up. So again, yes, that would be an optimal time to apply the Presbyon solution, because it would give you distance and close-up, and those patients do extremely well with that treatment.